especially for a cripple like me.
So Rob's going to be the test pilot, huh?
Yeah, lots to test.
No one's tested this before. Does it have brakes? Kind of?
The pedal says it has brakes.
I don't know. Try the brake there.
Shit, I love this brake leg room.
It's a clutch.
Got a good pedal.
You want to put your door prop over there out of your way?
Okay. What are these? What do those buttons do on the ship? Well, you'll find out when you're going down. Just press those buttons at random when you're driving. See what that.
Hope it doesn't back up at 50 mile an hour.
Yeah. You never know. Automatic, right? Yeah.
Okay, there's a fan.
Rob. Backwards. All right. Hey, automatic hood. Man, it's cool. We have that centerpiece I saw in the garage.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Cresson, can you get the ramps down for us? That'd be great. Thank you. I think it. Yeah. Hey, Rob. Tire hits the fender a little bit. You need to go back for a while, test it. Yeah, I've had it on that trailer before, so it should fit. Congratulations. It's like Neil Armstrong in the first test flight. Although, Ralph, I think you did the first one, actually. Congratulations to both of you. I don't think I've ever even sat in the car.
Like if the seat was just a little higher, it wouldn't be quite as bad to get in and out of. But it's cool when you're in there, but you
Yeah.
can't see shit going down the road.
Yeah. You can clean the windshield.
Maybe I'll put some.
I mean, you're too low.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Maybe I'll put some pedestals or something.
Well,
on the seat.
we did that on the Black Wildfire. Remember the pedestals? Tom had to build some.
Because Jack's pretty short.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks, Rob. Thanks, Ralph.